I'm at the Lego house and I'm outside the Lego shop. This place is home to some of the rarest Lego sets in the world, as they only make one of these a year and you can only buy them in this shop. So far there's been 7 of them. Let's see what they've got in stock here right now. The new Star Wars franchise here for the new films that have come out. You've got the little brick heads there too. Moving in, we have the exclusive sets, which you can only buy here at the Lego house. You have the Lego house itself. We've got the original wooden duck, the pirate minifigure. See, they've got quite a lot of stock of stuff left. This year's I Heart Billund set, which can be seen here. The Fabuland marching band, and the different dinosaurs which are on display here. So you have a Duplo one, Lego Classic, and a Technics one. And you also have the different building systems that Lego has had through its history. Here's some of them on display that they have in stock. So the duck, the pirate, and the house. Here you can see that they've got lots on show here. We have different kind of fish and sharks here jumping out. We have a puppy from the creator set. There's lots of different creator sets here in the middle. And I love that here on display you can kind of see them built up. Cats, dogs, rabbits, watering cans. Over here they've got the Tintin rocket as well, which was sold out in one of the Lego shops that I went to. Moving around, we have some Lego city bits. You've got Lego Classic here as well. The normal bricks to have your own creativity and own fun with. We've got a city train. We've got an airport, a crane, cement mixer, a helicopter, a bit of a beach scene with a chip van, fry van in the middle. Some characters from Bluey. They're going from a surf. Have an Arctic truck. Lots of different city places. With a Star Trek model here in the middle. More Lego City bits. Even more Lego City bits here in the middle. On display. On the back side here, we have a Coast Guard set. Fire truck, train, a bin lorry, and more over there as well. Let's continue around, see what they've got. Here's the more selection of Lego City. You have Ninjago here too. Ninjago scene made up of a few different sets. All the prices are displayed as well. More Lego City, that's the Coast Guard set again. I've got that camper van at home. Moving over here, we've got some brickheads, got the Ninja Turtles, the Stranger Things set, Lilo and Stitch, Harry Potter. We've got a pirate ship, some One Piece sets, Pokemon, the One Piece pirate ship, the huge Pokemon set with the 3 characters, Fortnite. That's pretty cool. The Fortnite team leader. More sets made up here in the middle too. The Zelda set, Minecraft. Just goes on and on and on. Mario sets here. I really want those two actually. I don't think my wife will let me. But they would be pretty awesome and epic to have on display. Just take up quite a lot of room. I do like the Game Boy as well that they've got there. But this is definitely the Nintendo/Sega type area. Animal Crossing. Looks very similar to the kind of Lego Friends type scene and series. What have we got in the middle? Another Ninjago display here. There's the back side of the Ninjago set. We have some Speed Champions.
This is your Lego Captain speaking. Oh. Everyone with tickets for Lego Masters Academy at 1 o'clock. The Lego Masters Academy studio, your session starts in only 5 minutes.
So the reason for the breaking this video is that there was an announcement over the tannoy when I was admiring this collection of Speed Champions to say that the Lego Masters session started at 1 o'clock. And I had in my head that it was 1:30, and that was my session. So that's why I cut the video short. So let's continue this tour of the Lego House Billund shop. So we've got a selection of Speed Champions cars, and then more of the boxes. Got some Technic cars too along the back. Lots of the F1 cars. Got the Back to the Future. Some of the Fast and Furious ones. The McLarens, different Ferraris, a Porsche. We've got a T-Rex on the top from a Jurassic Park set. And on the end here we've got a a larger Lego Technic McLaren. There's some Fabuland characters down there. I'm not too sure what they are, but they look a little bit like a Barbie type. Some Lego friends having a bit of a disco. Some bricks to play with. A massive selection of cars. It's a moon buggy. Got a digger or an excavator. Got a Skyline from Fast and Furious. Ford Bronco. Got the Porsche 911, which has like the monster design on it. The same McLaren again, a Ferrari, a Mercedes, a Volvo truck, a McLaren, Ford GT. Then we're going on to the Star Wars selection. And there's so much there. You've got Yodas, different kind of spaceships and racers. Got R2-D2 at the bottom, C-3PO down there too. Some smaller collections. We've got a signed one there. One of the designers says, "May the force be with you," and then it looks like it could be Dan. We've got Yoda and Grogu down here too. Another signed set there. A big pick-a-brick section. Various different colours, sizes, lots of goggly eyes in there. Here's the back side of the shop, just so you can see how big it is. The biggest shop for Lego is actually just down the road at Legoland Billund. There's the T-Rex again. Here we have some of the Lego Batman sets. Batman logo, different Batmobiles, some Marvel sets. I've got that Batmobile at home. A signed Marvel set there. We have an Avengers Quinjet, the Daily Bugle, the X-Men Mansion, which is signed saying Happy Building, and then signed by the designer. Spider-Man set running down the bottom. With a broken up Titanic at the top, and you can see some of the scenes around the top of the shop as well. On this end of the Ninjago, we've got the Ninjago ship. We've got some of the minifigures collections in the middle there. We have a Wicked set. These said that they're signed by the designers, bit of Creator, Monkey Palace, Galloping Horses canvas. Here's the mosaic maker, so you can get your photo taken and then you can build it into a mosaic. But to be honest, it doesn't really look like anybody. Actually, through the camera it looks better than it does through the naked eye. Yeah, they definitely look better. Maybe if you squint or stand back a little bit further, they look loads better through my camera screen than they do. I'm looking at them normally. Got a lot of different key rings. Got Disney ones, Minnie, Mickey, Goofy, Daffy, Daisy Duck. Star Wars ones further down. More of the Lego characters, like the shark character there. Two. Where should we go? We've got Duplo, all the different various series. Peppa Pig in the top corner. A train scene. Some Frozen down there. More Frozen. You can see the scenes, got a Viking at the top. Some football players too. Into the Disney section. Frozen, Toy Story, 101 Dalmatians, Moana, one of the Beauty and the Beast princess castles, Lotso, the alien riding on his rocket, Simba, Winnie the Pooh, Harry Potter down here. See, the selection is endless. Diagon Alley, got a Ford Anglia with Harry and Ron looking pretty terrified. The World Cup series for this year. Got the World Cup box is massive. That definitely won't go in my suitcase. The football, the USA shirts, Messi, Ronaldo, Mbappe, and Vinny Jr. The helmets for the two Ferrari drivers, so Leclerc and Lewis Hamilton. In the middle, we've got some of the Ideas sets. They're signed by the designers as well. Stranger Things. We've got the Willy Wonka, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the Krusty Burger, got a Disney one down there, Back to the Future, Jack Sparrow's pirate ship, In the middle here we've got Lego Friends, weaving round. It's got a Lego Labrador puppy, which is quite cute. Transformers, Gizmo with his 3D goggles, the Pan Am plane that was released probably 3 or 4 months ago. There it is in the box. Next to Concorde, Notre Dame, a Cobra, Countach, got the McLaren and the Williams sets, the Steamboat, an aquarium. More of the Icons range with the Lord of the Rings sets. Right at the bottom, there's Rivendell, Eiffel Tower. We have the spaceship and its carrier, Concorde again, Titanic. Here's the touchscreens for the minifigure factory. Botanic sets, lots of different floral bits in there. And these are all your minifigure elements. You can see there's lots of different bits to pick from in here. On the way out, you've got some craters just to fill those last few bits in your suitcase. We've got the sea floating otters, got a tiger head, some more floral bits, bonsai tree, and I think that is about it for the Lego house shop. And the main reason that people come here is to get the exclusive sets, and I think it's safe to say now during this video that the last dinosaurs might have been collected. I think that guy might have the last one. The dinosaurs are now officially extinct. This is the last box off the shelf. There's no more left in the storeroom. So it's safe to say goodbye to being able to buy these 3 little guys because I have the last one.